In today's tech headlines, Tesla Inc. has again gripped the attention of tech enthusiasts and investors alike, this time facing a triple threat: significant workforce reductions, executive departures, and looming uncertainties about its product roadmap amid a focused shift toward autonomy. The electric vehicle giant, helmed by the tech maverick Elon Musk, seems to be traversing through one of its most turbulent phases yet, signaling a potentially transformative period ahead. The news broke that Tesla planned to axe more than 10% of its global workforce, translating into a staggering number considering the company's size. This move, explained by Musk as an effort to streamline operations and reduce costs, is reflective of the broader challenges the EV market is currently facing, including intensified competition, softening demand, and macroeconomic headwinds. Investors and onlookers were taken aback as Tesla, a symbol of hypergrowth in the tech and automotive sectors, signals a cautious path ahead. Adding to the complexity of the situation is the departure of senior executives, including Drew Baglino, Tesla's top engineering executive, and Rohan Patel, who managed public policy and business development. These exits have raised questions about the internal dynamics within Tesla and its impact on the company's strategic initiatives going forward. In particular, the absence of these key personnel might recalibrate Tesla's approach to its ambitious projects, notably its autonomy program and the development of its next-gen EV platform. Moreover, amidst these significant changes, Tesla's emphasis on developing its autonomous driving technology, dubbed full self-driving, has become even more pronounced. Elon Musk recently announced a price cut for the FSD subscription, a move interpreted as an attempt to bolster adoption amid lukewarm demand. Furthermore, Musk's musings about a future dominated by robo-taxis underscore a strategic pivot that could redefine Tesla's product roadmap and its place in the mobility ecosystem of tomorrow. However, this pivot also introduces a new set of challenges and uncertainties, particularly around the commercial viability and regulatory acceptance of autonomous vehicles. The recent developments at Tesla are not just a reflection of the company's internal recalibrations, but also mirror the broader transitions within the EV and tech landscapes. As traditional automotive companies accelerate their EV offerings and tech giants explore autonomous mobility solutions, Tesla is navigating a dynamically evolving market landscape. This navigational challenge is underscored by Tesla's stock performance and investor sentiment, which have experienced notable fluctuations amidst these announcements and strategic shifts. In essence, Tesla's current storyline is a complex amalgamation of cost-cutting measures, strategic realignments, and an ambitious yet uncertain bet on the future of mobility. As the company braces for its next earnings call, the tech and automotive worlds eagerly watch on, anticipating insights that might illuminate Tesla's path forward in these unpredictable times. The saga unfolding at Tesla is not just about a leading EV manufacturer adjusting its sales, but equally a narrative about innovation, resilience, and the future of transportation. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.